This is the 9th video on the C7 rifle. In this video, you will learn the following: how to correct errors by altering the point of aim, what allowances to make for different types of wind, and the correct drill to carry out on missing the target. In battle or during range work, the strength and direction of the wind have a direct influence on the flight of the bullet. It is essential that the soldier makes allowances to counter this influence and ensure a first-round hit. It is also important to know how to react should the shot miss the target. Figure 11 targets are 1145 millimeters, 45 inches high, and 450 millimeters, 18 inches wide. Figure 12 targets are 570 millimeters, 22 inches high, and 450 millimeters, 18 inches wide. It is important that the firer know the dimensions of the figure 11 target. The center of the visible mass, the crotch area, is normally the area selected as the point of aim, POA. There are 3 areas above the POA which can be used to adjust fire. The hand at 150 millimeters or 6 inches, the chin at 300 millimeters or 12 inches, and the rim of the helmet at 450 millimeters or 18 inches. Below the POA are another 3 reference points: the crotch at 150 millimeters or 6 inches, the knee at 300 millimeters or 12 inches, and the ankle at 450 millimeters or 18 inches. Knowing these dimensions on a figure 11 target is an aid when altering points of aim at longer ranges. Errors in elevation and direction can be overcome by changing the point of aim. If from the POA the shot is seen to be high, 300 millimeters, and to the left, 100 millimeters, re-aim low, 300 millimeters, and right, 100 millimeters of the original POA. Only a wind blowing across the front will make a bullet veer considerably from its flight path. To allow for this, aim off into the wind. The direction of the wind can be determined by its effects on the face, trees, dust, smoke, etc. The amount to aim off is determined by the strength of the wind. For ranges of 100 meters or less, no aim off is required. In windy conditions at ranges greater than 100 meters, the following points of aim relative to a figure 11 target should be used. A fresh wind, 10 kilometers per hour, would cause range flags to stand about halfway out from the pole. To adjust your aim, select a POA halfway between the center and edge of the target at 200 meters, and at the edge of the target at 300 meters. A strong wind of 20 kilometers per hour would cause range flags to strain away from their poles. The adjusted POA for this condition would be the edge of the target at 200 meters and 1 target width from the center of the target at 300 meters. In the event of continually missing a target, increase the aim off to the edge of the target and fire. If still a miss, aim, fire, and adjust the POA from observation of the strike. Wind is a variable factor which can affect the mean point of impact of your rounds. Knowing proper drills for the various wind conditions, as well as what to do in the case of a miss, will give you more confidence when firing your weapon and increase the probability of a first-round hit.